Call me right away,
You
okay?
can call Tita
Let's go
Haha.
to Tita Haha.
You can call Tita Haha right
Okay.
away. Yeah?
I love you lang ga.
I love it, Tita Haha.
Aww. Diba? Ang senior. Hi, Mi. Mami, tingin. Video kasi. Ayan. So, papunta na tayo ng ating gate. Waiting area. Meron pa kaming, I think, ang aga pa. Wala pa yata. Oh, it's 6:30. 6:30 ng umaga. Ang flight natin is 8:15. So, di ba, mainam na ang maaga.
At Sunday.
Asin? Aya. 80. E80. Ito yung ating waiting area. So, ngayon, wala pa mga tao. Mga tao masyado. Ayan na si Mother. Ready na si Mother. Hi! Oh, anong feeling, Mami? No, lang daw yung feeling, o diba? Ayan, so hintay muna kami dito ng mga an hour and a half para sa boarding natin. So, see you later. Okay, boarding na tayo. Hey, pa-take off na kami. See you, America. See you, Mommy. Okay, boarding. Ready for takeoff na. Wait na lang kami. Time check is 8:05 in the morning. Okay, see you later. So, ngayon nafe-feel natin ng turbulence. So, yan si Mother nakapikit lang. Hihilo siya sa paggalaw ng aeroplano. We're almost here. Nagde-descend na yung aeroplano in any minute. Maglalaan na tayo sa Newark, New Jersey. So far, maganda, parang maganda naman yung panahon sa labas. Nakikita ko medyo sunny tsaka cloudy. So hopefully okay naman yung magiging weather. So time check, it's 2:35 ng hapon dito. So we're here.
May now be used. If you have connecting flight, please divert the screen inside the terminal building or consult with one of our colleagues on the ground. We thank you for choosing our camp and Star Alliance for your travel today. Hope you had a pleasant flight and look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.
So, tapos na kaming kumuha ng bagahe. Dito na siya. Ayan si Mami. Labas na kami dun sa gate. Doon kami maghintay. Ni Manang and Daddy.